Hello, welcome to your latest update from the Met Office. There is more wet weather to come this weekend, but generally should be a dry and bright start. Much of the country having a fine day on Saturday, but it will turn wet in the west. That rain is going to be heavy on Saturday night and it will linger in parts of the east on Sunday, and we do have a warning in force. Where's all the wet weather coming from? This big swirl of cloud way out in the Atlantic, a deepening area of low pressure. Ahead of it, we've had an area of low pressure, what was Storm Lorenzo, but it's kind of fizzled out somewhat. Nevertheless, still providing some wet weather in the southwest and still some fairly blustery conditions here through the first part of Friday night. Elsewhere, winds relatively light or certainly easing off, turning a bit misty, a bit murky in a few places, even a few fog patches, but most will have a dry night. It's quite mild in the south, but with clearer skies across the northeast, it will be turning rather cool temperatures down into single digits. Into the weekend then, and yes, a bit chilly perhaps first thing, but some sunshine across Scotland, parts of eastern England, maybe just one or two showers in the far northeast. The cloud will be thickening further west, by and large a dry, bright morning, but some drizzly rain over southwest England, pushing into Pembrokeshire and turning a bit damp in Northern Ireland and eventually into the southwest of Scotland. Elsewhere, I say many places dry and bright, will hang on to some sunny spells, but overall it will turn quite cloudy and a few showers are possible across East Anglia and the southeast. If we see some brightness though, temperatures could easily get up to 15, 16, maybe 17 or 18 if we see any sunny spells across the southwest, but feeling cooler as the winds pick up and the rain sets in across the northwest. And that rain will continue to work its way eastwards during Saturday evening. So for many, it is going to turn wet on Saturday night. Some yellow colours in there. That rain will be heavy in places. And it does kind of grind to a halt. That rain is from these weather fronts that push in and then kind of linger across the east. Still some uncertainty about how quickly that rain peters out. But because it could last for a good part of Sunday, and because for a time that rain could be heavy, and because we've had a lot of rain recently, we do have a yellow warning in force. There's the potential for that rain to cause some disruption, certainly a lot of spray and surface water on the roads, and there may even be some flooding. So here's the chart for Sunday. There's that weather front. As I said, some uncertainty about how quickly it clears away and fizzles out, but it could linger across parts of eastern England, southeast Scotland for much of the day. It may brighten up in Glasgow, certainly for much of Wales, Northern Ireland, southern England. I'm hopeful for a much brighter day on Sunday. Should be some sunshine. Just a few scattered showers. Temperatures with a bit of sunshine could again get up into the high teens, but where it's gloomy on the east coast, we're going to be struggling here. 13, 14 out on that wind. It's going to feel pretty cool. So mixed fortunes through the course of the weekend. Yes, we'll all see some rain, but most of us will see some dry and bright weather as well. For the full details on that weather warning, visit the Met Office website, download our app, or follow us on social media.